it was very difficult. It was a lot of trips to the dentist. It was always becoming loose. Just didn't seem to be any permanent solution to my situation, and I suppose I did suffer probably from lack of confidence. Wouldn't smile as often as maybe I would like to. In my work I would have to give presentations, so that could have been quite difficult, standing up in front of people, because I worked full-time up until last August, so I would have had to make presentations, and I had a lot of staff, and that wasn't easy. It was just, I suppose I had checked it out in Dublin, and it was quite expensive, and the treatment seemed quite complicated, and there was no guarantees at the end of the day that they would be able to do anything permanent. So just like one day on the computer, I made contact, and your person in Dublin Merchants Quay organised that I have an X-ray. So I went and I had my X-ray, and but I didn't think anything might come out of it. So I went in with my X-ray, and he said he sent the X-ray here to Hungary to the dentist here, and he told me he would have an answer for me in 2 hours. So I went shopping and came back, but I didn't think maybe it would be for me, this type of treatment. And when I arrived back, he came out and he was very nice and very welcoming, and he said, "I have good news for you." And I said, "Oh, this is great." So we sat down, and we had a discussion about what was going to happen. And I suppose the thing was, he didn't put pressure on me. He said, "Okay, this is what it's going to cost. This is where you will be going. Your contact is Peter. We will not be contacting you after this. It is up to you. You make the decision." I think that was October. I don't think I decided. I did not come back to him until maybe November, December. And I said, "Yeah, I'm thinking about going ahead." And I suppose the thing I felt was, it was great, like nobody was sort of putting any pressure on me to do it. So I just kept in contact with Peter and said, "I'm thinking about doing it," and he started telling me then what dates were good. So I have 3 teenagers, so I started organising my life around them and making sure college was okay, and that was all going well. So I decided they were all settled in college and school, so I could maybe take this week off. It's not something I normally do, so it was great. It was so easy. Peter organised at his end. Just told me to organise the flights, and I gave him my flight numbers, and he said he would organise the taxi to take me from the airport to here. That went well, and got a very nice hotel, very clean, and I flew out on the Monday, I think. Was it Sunday? No, Monday, the 25th, and my treatment started on the 26th of February. I was a bit nervous, of course, at first coming in here, and I was made to feel at my ease, but the dentist was very good and made to feel at ease, and the anaesthetist and the nurse, and they all were very good, and they did the X-ray, and I think we started the treatment straight away. I just couldn't believe it was going to happen so quickly. I got, I think, 14 implants, 14. And that was good. Like, I mean, I didn't feel anything. I was under anaesthetic, and I just drifted off. I was aware, I don't know what way I was, but I woke up and I had 14 implants. I was made to feel comfortable, and I was brought back to my hotel, and I came back here. That was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The final treatment, the teeth were actually put in, and I just couldn't believe it was so fast. Now I know I have to have some work. I have bridge work and that on my bottom teeth, and I was nervous. I said no, I couldn't go ahead with both. I'll have to do one at a time, see how it works out. But really sorry now that I didn't have the two done together, because it was just so easy. Yes, I feel, I suppose my face has filled out more. I have, I feel, I have, don't have this, just very kind of gone in. I suppose the bone structure and that had worn away, so I have a full mouth now, like I used to, and it's just great, and to be able to smile. And I would say just go for it, because it took me a long time, but I would have to say just go for it. You know, in 5 days, actually 5 days, I had my teeth done. Okay, I'm here maybe 7 days, but just the dentist wanted to make sure my bite and my eating was okay. But in 5 days, I had permanent teeth, and you know, it's the best decision I've ever made, and I'm delighted I've done it.